Creative Market is an online marketplace where you can sell your digital products like fonts, graphics, photography, and other digital goods that can be purchased and used by other designers and companies. When selling your products through Creative Market, you will earn 60% of each sale. This may seem like a steep price to pay at 40%, but Creative Market is a marketplace with an enormous reach. They have over 6 million members, which is a huge audience that you most likely will not reach on your own. If you sell your products through Creative Market, you'll be able to set your own prices and still be free to sell your products on other marketplaces. Creative Market is by far my favorite and most profitable marketplace where I sell my work. I applied for a shop back in 2016 when it was still pretty new and there weren't a lot of shop owners. It was also the time when font creation was hot and happening, so when I created my first font, I was in the right place at the right time. This made my shop a huge success, and I focused most of my energy on creating products for Creative Market. I do have to say that these days there are a lot more shop owners and talented designers that sell their products on Creative Markets, so the competition is a bit higher. To become a shop owner, you will need to apply for a shop. Creative Market does not take applications lightly, and they want to see high quality work that is suitable for their market and their audience. You'll need to have a portfolio where they can view examples of your creations and products. You can link to a portfolio like Behance or Dribbble, but I highly suggest you link to an existing shop like Etsy so you can show Creative Market that you have the skills to create digital products. They want to see if you are capable of creating products that are a right fit for their marketplace. So take a look at the types of products that they offer and see if yours are a good fit. Once you've been accepted to Creative Market, you'll need to fill out the details of your shop. So go to your shop profile, and then up here you can add or remove your banner. And then if you want to edit your shop settings, click on this one here. Here you can add a shop name or a message to your buyers. And then over here, you can add all your other profile info, like you can update your image, your username, your email address, and you can also add your social networks, like your Pinterest and your Instagram. And you'll also need to fill in your payment and tax setup. This is a very important step as Creative Market needs to know if you have a tax treaty with them. If you're like me and I live in the Netherlands, they do not withhold any extra taxes and I will have to file for taxes myself. Now let's take a look at how to add a new product. If you want to add a new product, go to Products, and then click on Add a Product. Fill in all the information like the title and description. And here you can upload your images, or you can also embed videos. Once you upload your images, you can drag them to reorder them. Next, we have the price. If you choose a category here, I'm going to choose templates and then choose logos. You will see that Creative Market suggests a price for all the different licenses that they offer. These are a good indicator of the price that you could set your product to. Click on the More info to see all of the details of the different licenses they offer. These are the 3 licenses that they offer. So they have the personal, the commercial, and the extended commercial. And below each one, you can read the details of what is and what is not allowed. Also, if you scroll down, you will find the specifics of each category and they answer commonly asked questions about these licenses. Licenses can be very tricky, so if you ever have any questions from buyers that you do not know the answers to, you can always ask Creative Market support to help you clarify. Now let's go back to our product. Here you can upload your zip file. The maximum is 4 gigabytes, but I like to keep mine under 500 megabytes so buyers are easily able to download them. Then if you scroll down here, you can add which programs it is compatible with. So I have uploaded some pre-made logos, so I'm going to say it's compatible with Photoshop. And I've also added Illustrator files, so I'm going to check that as well. And then here you can add a property. Mine is 300 dpi. And the Illustrator files are in vector, so I'm going to choose that one as well. And then down here, you can add the tags. Tags are important so your product can be found in search. So you want to add commonly used words that you think buyers might search for. I have an Excel file where I keep all of my tags, so I'm just going to choose this one for logos and then copy and paste them right in here. Another way you can find tags to add is by typing out a word in the search bar. I'm just going to type out logo, and then the search bar will auto-populate commonly searched words that Creative Market buyers are looking for. So you can choose these as well. I'm just going to choose logo template and then type it out again, and then choose logo bundle, and then once more logo design. Or you can try another word like template. And then let's choose template bundle. Creative Market does not have a limit, so you can add as many relevant tags as you like. Now when you've filled everything out, your product is ready. Switch it from draft to live. Click on Save All Changes, and then it's live in your store. Creative Market is geared towards helping shop owners being successful and build an audience. Let's go over some of the ways that you can promote products on Creative Market and become a successful shop owner. Gaining followers is a good way to promote your shop. If you go to your profile, you can see the amount of followers that you have and the amount of people that you are following. You can gain new followers by offering free goods, sending shop updates, and being active in the forums. I will explain those more later on, but even though Creative Market has all these ways to promote your shop, you'll need to help spread the word yourself by linking to your Creative Market shop on all of your social media platforms or by sending newsletters to your own audience. Now, let's take a look at the Creative Market homepage. Getting your product on the homepage is the very best way to get your product seen. And there are a few different ways to do this. First of all, there is the staff picks section. This is also referred to as the handpick section. In this section, the staff picks their favorites of all new products that have been uploaded. They only handpick the best, so make sure you create great products with at least 5 preview images. Also, regularly upload new products so you have a better chance of being staff picked. And next, we have the popular product section, where they show the best sellers of the graphics and the font section. These are 2 of the most popular categories on Creative Market. The best sellers are based on the amount of earnings your product makes and not the number of sales. So having a higher priced product with fewer sales, it will rank higher than a lower priced product that has more sales. Creative Market also offers 6 free goods each and every week. This is a great way for them to attract new members, and it is also a great promotional tool for us shop owners. Once you have a few products in your shop, you could offer one of them for free so you can gain new followers and promote your work. You can do so by going to your products page and click on Offer a Free Good. Here you will find the specifics of which type of product you are able to submit. And down here, you can select one of the products in your shop and then click Submit Free Goods. With over 7 million members, newsletters are a highly effective way to promote your products and get them seen by potential buyers. Creative Market sends out a newsletter almost every single day, and getting your products in these newsletters, it's no easy task. There are a few different ways to get your products into their newsletters. One is by offering a free good. This newsletter gets sent out every week. And they will also send a weekly newsletter with new products that have been staff picked. They also have a whole newsletter dedicated to popular products, which is based on the shop owners that you follow or products that you have viewed. If you upload a new product, you can send an update to all of your followers by sending a product update. You can set it to new product, or if you've updated your product, you can choose that, or you can choose a discount. Creative Market does not yet have the ability to add discounts, so if you want to run a discount, you will have to lower your price yourself and then add a shop update to let your followers know. You can also see all of the shop updates from shops that you are following here. A great way to connect with other designers who are also potential buyers is by being active in the forums. Help answer any questions others might have, and keep in mind that what you say reflects your shop, so always be friendly and helpful in the community. This will help you gain followers and get your work seen. The affiliate program is a great way to earn some extra income. You'll need to apply to become a partner, so each link you share from Creative Market will have your partner code, and you will receive a percentage for every new member that signs up and makes a sale through your link. I mainly use the affiliate program to promote my own products, as this means you'll receive an extra 15% when a new member purchases your product through that link. Once you've been accepted to the partner program, you can scroll down and see promotional tools. You can, for example, embed a product or a collection to your blog or website. And they also have banners you can download, which you can also add to your site. When sharing products with affiliate links, that I have found that the best way to share them is through Pinterest. If you go to a product on your computer, so not on your mobile, and use the Pinterest button, it will automatically add your partner code, so you can easily share images to Pinterest. As you could see, Creative Market has some really great tools to help you promote your shop. They are constantly testing new features on the homepage or new promotional tools, so stay up to date by reading their forums and their newsletters. I will also leave all of the links below if you need any more help on this subject.